David's World. Fake news and conspiracy theories on COVID-19 are spreading around the world almost as fast as the virus itself, and some consider them even more dangerous than the pandemic. Distrust towards the government and scientific discoveries, as well as the human ability to seek out consistencies in random pieces of data, make people resort to certain informational voids, unapproachable to the information from the outside world. Inside these voids, bizarre new worlds emerge with their own rules of logic, regulations, and their own brand of truth. In this project, we want to look inside this kind of worldview and display how the degree of insanity and instability grows in proportion with the spread, circulation, transformation, and multiplication of conspiracy theories. Using Unity and Raymarking, a generative tool for 3D visuals, we created a web application for the user to immerse themselves into the virtual space representing the usual environment for the conspiracy theories adepts. The music is created using the Magenta Studio, which is a machine learning library that works with MIDI data. The user is a visitor in this virtual conspiracy world, and upon looking around, they can find the master of this space. It is David, the conspiracy bot built with Unity node-based editor. The visitor may ask the bot any question and get an answer, randomly chosen from the preset list of responses. These texts came from our analysis of various sources on conspiracy theories on the internet. David actually doesn't engage in a dialogue with the visitor, it merely shares its own worldview, as conspiracy theories adepts often disregard every voice but their own.
With every David's answer, the space inside this conspiracy world changes. Every response from the conspiracy bot triggers Raymarking to transform the visual environment in a random, unpredictable way. David's looks also change depending on what it is saying. The textures on its face is a set of images generated by the AI tool Runway ML from the texts of David's answers, and the animation transition between single images comes to life through Breeder.
Hi, I'm David, the conspiracy bot. Ask me a question. Why would you ask that? Can't you see the Jews, Zionists have organized and engineered the novel coronavirus as a biological weapon just like bird flu to design the world, seize countries, and neuter the world's population? The official story isn't the truth. Coronavirus isn't a mere accident. It is purposely being used to cull sections of the global population. It is being used as a distraction. It's a man-made thing. It's been put there for a reason while they test 5G. It might be for population control, to get rid of a lot of us, especially when they say that it harms old people. Look at these towers at nighttime that have been put up, then telling people not to go out. Listen up, because I'm about to open your eyes on a much bigger issue. Back in October 2019, at a conference called Event 201, famous scientists, doctors, politicians, financiers, and the public gathered in New York to let the scenario of the pandemic play out. That is, they simulated the coronavirus, where they predicted verbatim every step of what is happening today. One of the organizers of the event was the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation.
The more the user interacts with David, the stranger and more uneven the virtual space around them grows. If the visitor stays inside long enough, they might find themselves in a space of total insanity.